Hi everyone, if you've been watching most of the video or the full video, I appreciate that. If you have subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you got the right answer, please hit that like button. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel to support. And I will start solving this tricky math problem. PEMDAS want us to start with 5 divided by 2, which I don't know, so I write it in a fraction form. Next, I'll be using the keep, change, flip rule because we're going to turn that division symbol to multiplication, and then we want to write this 3 into a fraction, 3 over 1, and then we want to flip it. So the 1 goes on top and the 3 goes at the bottom. So it'll be written like this, 1 over 3. And then you multiply across. 5 times 1 is 5 over 2 times 3 is 6, and this cannot be broken down further, so 5 over 6 it is. And now I'll be dropping the 6 divided by 3 in a fraction form, 6 over 3 divided by, and then we have 5 over 6, and then drop the division symbol down and then the 2 down, but in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 2 over 1 equals 2 does not change to 2. Now we're looking at this. Yes, we'll continue using the keep, change, flip rule. So we want to keep the 3 over the 6 over 3 and then change division. Actually, we can break this down further. This 6 over 3 can be broken down further. So let's just keep it like that. And then just because, watch what happens. So we keep the first fraction, then change division to multiplication, and then lastly flip the second fraction. 5 over 6 will be written 6 over 5, and then we multiply across. So 6 times 6 is 36 over 3 times 5 is 15, and then I'll erase this for space and write 36 over 15. Yes, I can break this down further. So let's do that. Let me just rewrite this divided by 2 over 1. And now what can we use? Yes, we can use 3. 36 divided by 3, something that gives you 3 is 12, right? So 12 times 3 is 36, because 12 times 2 is 24, plus another 12, that gives you 36, over, and then something that gives you 15 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. And that's it. You can't break that down further. This 12 over 5 cannot be broken down further. So now I'll erase this and write 12 over 5, and then divided by 2 over 1. And then we use the keep, change, flip rule again. So we keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and lastly flip the second fraction. So it'll be written 2, it will be written 1 over 2, like that. And then you multiply across. 12 times 1 is 12 over 5 times 2 is 10. And this can be broken down further. So they both are even. So let's just half them. And half of 12 is 6 over half of 10 is 5. And so that's it. This is your improper fraction answer. Let's go ahead and get a decimal answer using long division and a mixed number answer. So I'll write the 6 over 5 here, and then write the mixed number answer there, and then write the decimal answer here. So here's the long division symbol. The 6 goes inside, that's the dividend, and 5 goes outside, that's the divisor. You can fit 5 into 6 one time, and 1 times 5 is 5. And you don't multiply, you subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1, and we can write our mixed number answer, which is 1, and then the remainder is 1 over 5. You use this number. You write the 5 below the fraction bar. And then to figure out the decimal answer, I know some of us already know it's 1.2, but let's just continue the long division. You can't fit 5 into 1, so the 1 needs to borrow a 0. You add a decimal here and a decimal there. Write the 0, bring it down, give it to the 1. Now it becomes 10. 5 can fit into 10 twice. And 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 minus 10 is 0. So your decimal answer is 1.2. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.